We have my my little droppers. They were, for me, $1.75 for 100. Here we have a 18 color set of epoxy resin powder. This was $5.79 for them. Here I have some resin molds. It's an 8-piece mold set. Okay. Sorry about that. I was having difficulties opening it, so I opened it off screen. Here we have a pretzel mold. A cookie mold. I guess this would be another cookie mold, or a cracker mold. Here we have cupcakes or muffins, croissants, ice cream and ice cream cones. Looks like some kind of a bun. And more cookies. This set here was $5.22. Next we have my hair rerooting toolkit that I purchased. It was $5.49. Okay, now that I have this open, it comes with a few of the needles, 2 of these, which I assume would be for puncturing the holes, and then 2 of the actual main tools themselves. Forgive me if I don't know the actual terms on what the tools are called. Again, that was $5.49. Here we have some brown doll hair. Really not good at this one-handed, but there we go. It's actually really soft. This was $2.49. And I did get it in a couple more colors. As I was saying, I had purchased it in a few other colors. I apologize for the coughing. I'm currently getting over being sick. This is what I just recently gotten in my Temu order. And I can't wait to use it.